Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to place trades using NinjaTrader in NinjaTrader. First, open the NinjaTrader platform and load a chart. You can do this by going to the Control Center, clicking on New and selecting Chart. Choose your market and time frame. Once your chart is open, you need to enable NinjaTrader. Look to the top right corner of the chart window and click on the NinjaTrader button. This will open a panel on the right side of the chart. In this panel, you will see options for account selection, order quantity, and order types. Start by selecting your trading account. Then set the quantity you want to trade. Next, decide how you want to enter the trade. You can use market orders or limit orders. To place a market order, simply click the Buy Market or Sell Market button. This will enter the trade instantly at the current price. If you want more control, use limit orders. You can click directly on the chart at your desired price level. Then choose Buy Limit or Sell Limit from the menu that appears. You can also set stop loss and profit target orders. In the NinjaTrader panel, enable ATM strategy and choose a predefined setup. This helps manage risk automatically. Once your trade is active, you can drag and move your stop loss or target lines directly on the chart. Thanks for watching.